This is a first.
Winter happens, even in the southeast at the beach. Even though this weather event was very surprising, we always think about ways to keep warm and keep RV systems from freezing. Here are some tips. If you have roller shades, pull them down over your heat-leaking windows. Crank that fireplace. Add some space heaters. When the temps drop below freezing, turn off that electric heat pump and fire up the propane furnace. While you're at it, turn on the holding tank heaters. Fill your freshwater tank on a freezing night and turn on a faucet to a trickle to prevent a waterline freeze. Outside, use a heated hose and cover the heating element with a plastic bag at the city water connection. If snow is covering your sewer hoses, remove the snow to increase the chance that water and waste will drain. If you leave your rig to be stored, it's a good idea to winterize your water lines. Get RV-specific antifreeze, a bucket, and a short hose. Locate your winterization valve and turn it to the winterization position. Turn on your water pump to start the pink liquid flow into the water lines. For every faucet in your unit, turn on the hot until you see the flow of pink. Do the same with the cold water line. Most people remember to winterize toilets, but it's easy to forget the washer. Fill it until you see pink in the drum. Because our rig is large, we use almost 5 gallons of antifreeze. Hope these tips are helpful to you. Stay warm.